Hey guys, so before you watch this next video, please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel and hit the like button. The, hit the like button, also the bell icon so you notify when I post another video. Thank you and enjoy the video.
So welcome back, guys. Remember I said in the previous video we're going to explore a property of char. So you see what I did here? Will this give us an error? Who can guess? Will this give us an error? So you can pause the video and guess. That gave us an A, but I put 65 there. I'm getting an A. So how can we explain this? This is basically, in one word, let's call it ASCII. So ASCII is like a table where that shows the numbers that represent every character that probably exists. So for every character, there's a number that represents it. So instead of putting the character, I can just use the number. There's some cases where this may be useful. The quickest case that came to my head would be, for example, I want to print A to Z. A to Z. I could just use the numbers using a loop to loop each of the number. Like 65 is A, 66 is B. Should give us B. So let's look at the ASCII table. So if you go to ASCIItable.com, you see what all the numbers are used for. Let's come and check here. You can see that 65 is A, 66 B, 67 C. For small letters, 97 is A, 98 is B. That's basically one good property of char, because they basically have integer representatives. So that'll be all for this video, guys. And remember, if you have any question, put them in the comment section. I would love to reply. And is anything you like about my video, tell me. So anything you don't like about my video, I would love to hear your thoughts. So just tell me and I'll try to improve on them. So see you guys in my next video.
So hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and like the video. And if you have any comments or any questions about the video, kindly post them in the comment section and I'll try my best to reply. Thank you guys once again and I'll see you in my next video.